Dude, it's Grasshopper. All I know is it says it's a Fox Fun Machine Grasshopper. Lady called me and said her kid can't ride this no more because he wrecked it or flipped it over and she don't want him having it. $100. Picked her up. I rode it just a second ago. She said she couldn't get it to start. I got her to fire, but it's acting like it's throttled up quite a ways. So we're gonna check on a couple things. We're gonna air up the tires. We're gonna lube the clutch because it's hanging and making this thing walk forward. And we're gonna put it back together and ride it. Parker wants to send it. Do some shop donuts, some shop drifts. 4 horsepower, boys. Dang, I'm robbing. Well, guys, fortunately, I was prying around here and I found a nice little peek window to access that clutch. Look at there, boys. Man, that made it easy. Good thing they had that there and I didn't tear that. We need a jack stand, son, so when we start this up, it don't dip off. You gonna get it? Right into that thing? Yep, right into the deal. I always put them on jack stand, guys, so they don't say sayonara and they don't go right to the moon, because this one's already running off on me. Boy. Start it up. You take a little motor oil. Gripper on your clutch and shaft and bow. Oh, that's too much. Damn, this hole, it should have been designed more to the side. Let's turn it off. See if I can see it a little better. I don't see a drip hole for it. Oh, there we go. See, it just unbuttons. That's all good. Just a couple drips there. That's probably more than any would recommend, but it's quieter now, right? On the chain. There we go. Hear how quiet it is now? I'm hoping she got the throttle on right. See?
Yeah.
If it's getting away from you,
switch.
Yes, because it hung up on me twice. Buster was like, no, I'm going to keep going instead of stopping. Oh, I'll do it like bubbles.
I got you.
Wait. Yeah, you're good. Wait, I'm going to choke it. What's your hand? Go ahead. High compression motor. Starting because you didn't have the switch on up here. I'm just big, guys. You feel out? Oh, this gas is all gnarly. You see it? Come look. It's got water in it. That's water and rust.
So we can't drive it?
We can, but we gotta go drain the fuel.
Right now?
Everything gonna start. It's got water in it. You see that? Let me try it. So I didn't make it far, guys. I ripped off down that way. She died. This is what I'm saying. It looks like gotta be water in there. So I'll try and do this the easy way. Pull this off the bowl and let her empty. If not, then we'll have to do it another way. But we're gonna take that off and then we're gonna pull the bowl on the carb and empty it as well. See how much water we got in there. This is just from barely opening it. I want to be able to get a look at this shit. There you go. I don't think all of that's water, but I'm assuming a good amount of it is, and I bet there's a lot in this carburetor here. So we're gonna pull this off as well, do the same thing, drain all this out, clean this up, put her back together, send it. Oh, here it comes from the tank now. ain't oil. Nah, it's water. Gonna have to run some clean gas through this for sure. I'm gonna put some gas in here. Oh, look at that. It's like all rusty soup water. Carb issues aren't always carb issue, guys. Sometimes they're fuel issues. Sometimes they're gasoline issues. This is becoming a full-blown engine rebuild. Look at that poor guy bleeding out. I think it's rusty water. Keeps getting clogged up with rust. So I'm gonna clean the carburetor while that's douching out. As you can see here, from opening up the carb, it is mostly rusty water. So I'm gonna clean this sucker out, get her to where we can rip it. Give you an idea here. Okay. I'm gonna get this cleaned out. Look at that crap. I'm gonna need both hands, guys, but it's straight orange like that. Maybe it's sand, who knows? I'm gonna get this cleaned out. I'm gonna get it all reassembled and then we're gonna rip it, dudes. I will be right back. I need some free hands. Got this fuel switch all cleaned out, or this petcock. Gonna get back on the tank, put it back on there. Fresh gas, you should run, dudes. All right, guys, motor locked up on me, but I got it figured out. Basically what it was, I was changing the fuel line. I dropped this little clamp, I guess, through the back of this somehow. And second pull, she locked up. Hope my throttle ain't hung right now. I'm gonna need two hands, guys, just in case. 1 second. All right, dudes, she's running and idling good. Got a new spring on her to stop the throttle. Try and turn this idle down so I don't decide to dip off with Reagan. Let's go get Parker. He wanna ride it. Y'all kidding me? If it fits, it ships. I gotta go easy, huh? Look, that's a monster of speed. And I don't want to break it before Reagan gets here. Reagan's on his way home from his dad's. So, I want to be sure he gets to ride the sucker. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. So we got to talk about this now. I wouldn't even buckle that in, son. Because then if you tip over, it's just going to cheese grade your face on the ground. So listen to me. Which one's the gas?
This one.
No, that's the brake. And you're going to need it, okay? This is your kill switch. You're going to have to hit it. Leave it right here. If it's taking off on you and won't stop, you hold the brake and flip that switch, okay?
Okay.
I got her tuned up now. See, turn the idle down. Turn like, oh, don't run over my dog. Hey, both hands on the wheel tight because it likes to yank it out of you. Have your foot ready for the brake. Careful, boy. Hey, look at me. It's fast. I know you think I'm kidding, but careful. Give it a little gas. Easy. Man. Whoa. Is that fast?
Yeah.
Sketchy?
And yeah, and I also want to say it's not safe.
It's not safe. Let Parker have a shot. See if it's safe. Yeah, but sketchier. Like all bananas Mario Kart. Nothing but bananas everywhere. Bap hits the pole. The thing's burning, dude. Right? Yeah. Yeah. All right, my turn. I am speed. Hits the tree because he's looking at us. Oh my God, dude.
What?
You almost fucking hit the pole. You did not not see that? He had one hand on the wheel, jerking around.
Oh, I thought he was playing around.
Teresa, either way, you almost hit the pole.
That's not like break.
That's been like that. Let me get another shot. You almost hit the pole, admit it. It got jerked out of his hand. And he came this close.
Oh my gosh.
I am street, boys. Leaving is this beast. Guys, I'm just glad we're on concrete right now because this thing would just scare me to death if it was in its natural habitat. Grasshoppers are sticky. Dudes, what do you think? Let's try and even figure out. That's pretty, sometimes it's hard. It's a Fox Grasshopper, 4 horsepower, 126cc fun machine, baby. Low hours. Kiddo flipped it over, put a little tweak in the steering wheel. That ain't no big deal. I haven't tried to straighten it back out yet, but you know, David's gonna be here tomorrow. He likes doing stuff like that. He'll suck it straight. Guys, pull start. It's got the kill switch on the dash just in case. I don't know if it'll start today. We rode it all day yesterday. Basically, like I said in the video, sometimes when you think you have a carb issue, you just have a fuel issue. I can't believe this thing was running on it. It started and ran for me twice with that fuel in it. So I took a look in here and there was just water and rust all over this. And that's when I knew we had to do something, guys. Automatic, the brakes actually work. I don't know if you can see the setup. Let me turn off this engine. That way I don't have to scream at y'all. Dude, it's got like a band, you know. Typical go-kart brakes. Just put you, oh, here we go. Check it. You hit the brake. It's got a rod, which is nice instead of a cable. I love the rods. Dual rod system. Y'all see me doing my burnouts over there? This is a good brake. It'll actually stop this axle, which it also has a posi axle. A couple guys asked, David in particular, he was like, oh, stupid thing, one wheel peel. I was like, bro, you tripping. Both wheels peel. Don't you worry about that. It's got the Rhome Subaru 4 horsepower motor. Yeah, I'm 265 pounds, and this thing rips me out like, y'all seen it? Look at it. It's leaving come on. Better be damn careful on this thing. I'll tell you that right now. Guys, it's on the Time Machines ATVs Instagram page. If you're a follower, give me $375 and it's yours. Get on Time Machine ATVs. Let's make it happen, guys. Only if you're local, unless you're willing to ship it. We got us a new winner this month, guys. We appreciate you getting up in there. This top 10 subscriber list. Let's see who's in the top 10 for next month, or for this month. Hanky Bannister, Sean Moore, D Walker, Dion Horn, the big homie, or homie. This dude right here. Mark Barton, kind of quick one, Audi boosted, N20 Lexus, Markeith Peacock, and Eric Silverware. Guys, we appreciate you, Shane. Way to get up in there, dudes. If you guys want to get on the top 10 list, we're going to get this mailed out to Shane. If you want to get up on the merch shop, timemachines.shop, get up in there, dudes. It all goes to, you know, goes to a good cause. And also, jump on the old Time Machine ATVs Instagram page. Give us a follow there. Comment on videos, dudes. Watch videos and share videos. That helps us the very most. So at the very least, comment on these videos. Share them to your friends, guys. And give us a subscription. You know what I'm saying? But the sharing's caring, dudes. Sharing means the most. That's why I share these, you know, that's why I share these projects with you, because nobody around here appreciates them. You know what I mean? So I gotta share, I gotta reach out, I gotta be like, I'm not crazy, right? I gotta reach out to guys and be like, I'm not crazy. Appreciate you, dude. Lots more to come. Jump on the channel and peep some of these other machines, guys. Lots more on there. Lots more projects. Me and David are gonna get this thing done this week. Begging me and shit. David begging me to wait till he gets back so he can help me work on the 350X. I was like, whatever. I guess I'll put it on hold. He's like, we're not gonna be like, cause usually he gets over here and I'm like, all right, man, just unsheath the old sandblaster and get after it, dude. Shit. Get up in there, Time Machine ATV's Instagram. Get this for your kids, dude. $275. That's deal of the year. That's freaking Sam Walton prices up in here.